So we are here at Harbor Freight. Whoa. Thank you. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So this has been a pretty requested video, but let me warn you guys, it is going to be technical and a little bit different than usual. So this is going to be a technical video of me spending lots of money on tools, reviewing them, all that stuff. And there'll also be a health update at the end of this video about my leg. If you haven't seen, I did break it like 5 months ago. Stick around, guys. Yes, you guys want to see the builds, but this is what I need to build the stuff, or build the builds. So yeah, let's get right into it. First things first, I bought that $500 toolbox from Harbor Freight. I pretty much already filled it up. If you look back like a year ago, this place was a mess. I've cleaned it up a little bit. Now it's littered with two-stroke parts, but it is what it is. I've upgraded our lighting a little bit. But yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. We're gonna go ahead and start with our tubing bender, and I'll give you a rundown on that. Here's my tube bender from JD Squared. So I'm gonna change this thing from manual to hydraulic. So that's the attachment right there, and then we'll cut it about right there and build a base and put some casters on it so we can move it around. So let's go ahead and start cutting up some metal. We just ordered our Swag Off-Road Hydro air mount. Let's give it a shot. Right around 5 minutes. So there you go, guys, the hydraulic conversion is done. By no means is this the ultimate setup for me. It still bends kind of slow, but overall I'd rate it 7 out of 10. So yeah, it's a new day, and today we're actually gonna pick up some gas for a welder and a few other tools, so stay tuned. Come along with us, guys. So we are here at Harbor Freight. We're about to ball out. Just picked up this 75-25 gas bottle for a pretty good price, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is my first time trying out a gas setup. We got the gas, we got our cart, gloves, wire, regulator. Let's go ahead and put this together. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse it. Like I said, this is my first time. And then the last thing we need to do is switch the polarity. So guys, we're here at Home Depot. I came here earlier today and I pretty much got bamboozled. So check this out. 2 identical wire spools. One of them is silver and one of them is copper. As you can see, they're the same exact thing. So you're supposed to check your spool, and I didn't.
and I was trying to figure out why it was welding so horrible. And yeah, it turns out Home Depot is selling the wrong wire. So yeah, I'm gonna have to exchange that. And I also bought a fire extinguisher, 5-pound unit, garage and workshop. So hopefully it'll be all good.
So we got the fire extinguisher in case, you know, I have a motor in here that blows up or something. Knock on wood though. It's been a few weeks and as you can see I'm bundled up. It just snowed a little bit this morning. But today I'm going to be going over my titanium MIG welder, giving you guys a review. I know some of you asked about it, but the welder performs fantastic. This welder only retails for $499, but the quality of the welds and the quality of the machine surpasses any Lincoln welder out there. Under $1,000, that is. Let me go ahead and show you how this machine performs. Turn on the gas. Power button is up here. I have my gas flow set up on the higher end, 25 to 30. So I'm gonna try to weld on some 1/4 inch thick square iron. That is some very thick stuff right there. Very beautiful welds. I can tell we're running a bit cold, so I'm gonna turn the voltage up a little bit. What's crazy is that this welder isn't even maxed out yet. There is the second one right there. So yeah guys, really happy with the welder. Let me know what you guys prefer, pushing or pulling. I myself prefer to pull, just because you can see the puddle better. Those of you that may have went to school for this or do this for a living, let me know.
1 week later.
So we're actually headed to Harbor Freight again. This time we're picking up our dream tool. It's a plasma cutter.
Guys, there it is, $7.99. Wow, my bank account is not gonna be happy.
Bag secured. We got the plasma cutter. If you're buying this, be sure to use the 10% off coupon. So I paid $786 for this machine. Wow, that is a lot. Here it is, guys. So this is on 220 volts. I like that. Wow. I still gotta practice with my cuts, but that is amazing. Okay, we got 5/8. That was fast. So I think I found something to finally max this machine out. It is approximately 0.9 inches. I bet it's gonna be really tough to cut this stuff because It's hollow and air is a very good insulator. But we'll see if we can try to draw my name on this rotor. Now what's kind of weird about this machine is it goes silent after a while, so you don't really know that it's on. You have this trigger guard right here. So my thoughts on the plasma cutter, I think it's an awesome machine. Maybe just a little bit too overpriced. But the reason why I bought this machine, you see this sheet right here? Well, I've been cutting at this sheet all year. And if you take all that time, it's probably around 5 to 10 hours. You know, that sheet used to extend to about right there. I cut a lot of it off by hand. So now it's time to get a plasma cutter and save me that trouble. I would probably make it $6.99 instead of $7.99, but that's just me. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Are you guys going to be buying this machine? Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me go ahead and give you the price breakdown on all these tools. Starting from back there, we got this cabinet from Harbor Freight. It was $500. This cabinet really cleans up my garage and helps me stay organized. Second item is this Cobalt compressor. This is from Lowe's. That was also around $550. I like the fact that it's portable. It is a huge upgrade from my pancake air compressor. I was hoping to paint some cars with this in the future, but it seems like it's not going to be enough. I just don't think I'd be able to paint cars with this, maybe one panel at a time. But I'm probably going to keep it. I do think it's a very good compressor. Next up, we got this JD squared tubing bender with our hydraulic attachment from Swag Off-Road. This setup right here, this tube bender along with all the dies, that was around $1,500. JD squared was courteous enough to give me a discount on that bender, so go check him out, guys. Next up is a titanium 170 along with the cart, all the wire, and the gas bottle. That was around $850. Then we have our plasma cutter right here. That was $786, I believe. But yeah, guys, those are all my tools. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Some of you may be wondering where I got the money and how did I buy all these tools. Well, the answer is pretty simple. I did not buy these all at once. And my dad actually bought that blue compressor for me to try out. So I can't wait to see what the future holds and what tools I'm going to be buying in the future. But I'm definitely looking at a hydraulic press, a tubing notcher, a drill press. So lots of stuff to come, guys. Be sure to smash that like button. Let's try to go for 2,000 likes. But I'll have to see you in the next video, guys. Stay tuned.
Alright, so you are now 5 months since your surgery, correct? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And how are you doing?
Pretty good. I've been working a lot from my garage.
Okay.
Picking up heavy stuff.
And you do some welding type work, if I remember, is that correct? Yeah, okay. Good. Are you able to do things that you were able to do before the accident?
I haven't tried sports or running.
Okay. Do you think you could?
I probably need to work a little bit on my strength more.
Strength, okay. Do you have pain in the knee ever?
It's not really that. It's more of soreness in the surrounding muscles.
Okay. Can I see you walk? Very good. No limp. That's great. Have you seat up here? Still a little weak too. Pull back over here. Strong. Okay, good. You have full knee extension. Wonderful. Beautiful. And you can bend your knee back as far as you can. That's amazing. So you've healed the bone completely. Okay, that's very good. And really, I agree with you. Most of what you have right now is still some decrease of the muscle strength and some atrophy of the leg. The break is healed quite well. I'm going to compare this to the X-ray from last time you were here. So this is the new one, this is the old one. You can see here, so there's some of the bone pieces still with some dark area, not filled in with bone, completely filled in with bone today. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Looks great.
Awesome.
And these little break lines through here, all healed up. Okay?
Awesome.
So you may run, you may jump, you may do anything that you want to do.
He told me this would stay in for a lifetime.
Generally it does.
Yeah. You think it would be an option to take the nail out?
It would be, yes. I generally would tell you that it's not an option until it's been in there for a year though.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? And the reason to wait a year is that there is a small risk with a bad brake like yours that if you take the metal out too early, before a year, there's a small risk to likely re-break. Have I ever taken this much metal out of somebody's leg? Yes, but not frequently. In fact, the first time I did that was about 2 months ago, that much metal. But in general, I would say I've put this type of metal in hundreds of patients, and I've taken it out of probably no more than 5 to 10. I would not say just take it out unless there's symptoms though. So, if you just came in and said, I really want it out, but I don't have a reason to take it out except for I just don't like the idea of having metal in my leg, I generally would say, no, I won't do that because I think I can make you worse. Any other questions?
That's it.
Okay, all right. Hopefully that's been helpful to you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.